right, everybody, what are we looking at today? That shiny substance called gold. But before I do, and before you do, please like, subscribe, click the button. I don't know, what do you guys say? Smash the button? Do something with the button. Like and subscribe to tastylive right now on YouTube. Do it. I can wait. All right, see, that didn't take so long. What are we looking at today? We're looking at GLD, that shiny little object. Why are we looking at it? Because it has a high implied volatility. Let's take a look. IV rank in the 70s. It's been up around 2 or 3% over the last 5 days. IV rank is very important to us when we're looking at sell premium. We like to have that IV rank as high as possible. Now, what else do we like to do? Well, we like to be outside the most extreme moves when we're selling premium because we're selling tail risk here. So the most extreme move to the upside is a little over 500, and the most extreme move in the last 45 days or more, which is the time frame I'm going to, is right around $425. So guess what? When I go to the trade page here, I'm going to take a look at those two numbers. I'm going to go to April with 45 days, well, 44 right now. 45 being optimal means it's the perfect time to do it. What am I looking to do? I'm looking to sell that 16 delta option, that put around 425, which just happens to be around the lows over the last couple of months. I'm selling the 425. I'm hoping that the stock doesn't do, or gold doesn't do, because that's what this is. It's physical gold, basically in an ETF. It doesn't go as low as it's ever been over the last 45 or more days, and not as high as it's ever been either. I can go all the way out to the 535 calls as a delta neutral trade. I did it for $9.50. You could probably do it for a little bit more here as gold has been going a little bit higher. As gold goes higher, unlike in other ETFs, equity ETFs, when the market goes higher like it is today, volatility goes lower. Look, the market volatility is down a full dollar, maybe about 5% or so, as even the S&Ps are up less than 1% right now. Gold, on the other hand, when it goes higher and it's up $5.25, volatility expands on the way up and contracts on the way down. So I'm selling this spread for $9.50. It's trading for around $9.70 some odd cents right now. It is a higher capital intensive trade using around $4,700. And for that fact, I will look to take profits a little bit sooner. Maybe a buck, 2 or 3, or like we did in the Q trade just from yesterday, we got 50% in one day. I don't expect to get 50% here in one day, nothing like it. I think it's going to be a much longer term trade, probably a 2-week trade if I had to guess. All right, everybody, you know what else you can do after you kiss that like button and subscribe? Open, move, transfer, bring your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy. Help us keep all the lights on here at Tasty Live, and you get to use this awesome platform.